Hello friends, so in this video we will create this simple beam and engine mechanism in Solidworks. So beam engine mechanism is a mechanism in which rotary motion is converted into the reciprocating motion. So let us see how to create this engine. So go to the file, new, part, OK. So here first of all we'll draw the links of this mechanism. So for that select the top plane and sketch on it. Now from here you can select the center point straight slot. OK. Now give the smart dimension to this. It will be 50 mm. OK. Now we'll draw two circles in this. OK. Smart dimension. This will be 20 mm. And this inside will be 10 mm. Say OK. Go to the feature extruded boss base. We will extrude it by 10 mm. OK. So this is simply the crank link of this mechanism. So we'll save this part as a file, save. Here we will create a new folder to save this. Okay, so create a new folder and we'll name it as a beam mechanism. Okay, so simply open this folder and save it as a link 1. Okay, now close from here. Now go to the file, new, part, OK. So here we will draw the second link. So for that select again the top plane, sketch on it. Here again we will draw a center point straight slot. So we'll just give the dimension to this will be 230 and this will be 20 mm, and we will just draw circle, escape here. We'll just draw one circle to the left over here and we'll smart dimension it, escape, smart dimension it to be 10 mm dia. OK, go to the feature extruded boss base, we'll extrude it by 10 mm. OK. Now again we will sketch on this, make it normal too. Here we'll draw one more circle and we'll give smart dimension to this to be 10 mm. OK, go to the feature extruded cut, we'll extrude through all. So simply extend this. OK. So this will be our link 2. Control save it as a link 2. So close from here, file, new, part, OK. Now we'll draw the lever. So for that again select the top plane, sketch on it. Here we'll draw two center line. First center line, escape. Again second center line, escape. Delete this. Okay, so here we will draw the two circles respectively. First circle and second circle. I will just give the dimension between them to be, escape. Select the dimension from here to here. Select smart dimension again and give the dimension between them to be 400. Okay, and we'll just give this dimension to be 200. Okay, and this smart dimension will be 25. This again 25. Again we'll draw over here one circle whose dimension will be again 30. Okay. Now here what we will do, we'll draw simply one line, escape. Now select these two and make it tangent. Okay, and we'll just smart dimension from here to here. It will be 35. Okay, now trim the unwanted entities. Over here you can see. Okay, now we'll select this line and we'll mirror the entities. So mirror about this line. Okay, now trim again the unwanted part. You simply select trim entities, trim over here. Okay, now select this and this. Okay, again go for the mirror entities, mirror about this vertical center line. Okay, so in this way it is created now. Now go again trim the unwanted entities. So this is unwanted. Okay, so here what we'll do, Control Z, delete this circle, delete, yes. Now select this and mirror entities, mirror about this vertical line. Okay, right. Now go to the feature extruded boss base. We'll extrude it by 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm. Okay, now we shall sketch on this again, make it normal too. Alright, we'll draw again two circles. Okay, smart dimension them to be 10 mm, 10 mm respectively. Okay, now go to the feature extruded boss base. We'll extrude it by 10 mm, right? Say okay. Right, so in this way we have created the lever of this mechanism. So Control save this as lever. So close from here, go to the file, new part. Okay, now here we will draw front plane sketch. We'll draw the cylinder now. So simply draw two circles, smart dimension them to be 75 and 85. Okay, feature extruded boss base will extrude through the mid plane by 150 mm. Okay, so this will be our cylinder of this mechanism. So Control save this as a cylinder. Okay, now go to the new from here, file, new part. Okay, now here we'll draw the piston. So for that again we'll select the top plane and a sketch on it. Okay, so give the smart dimension 75 mm. Okay, go to the feature extruded boss base 10 mm, right? Okay, now here we'll suppose select right plane and sketch on it. Make it normal. Now here we will simply draw a center rectangle. Okay. Now the smart dimension this to be 20 mm and this distance will be 10 mm. Sorry, escape this. So just delete this one. Smart dimension. This distance will be a 10 mm. Okay. We'll make this to be vertical. Okay. Now just this dimension will be 30. Escape. So actually we have made it vertical. Okay. Escape. Control Z it again. Okay. Now smart dimension this to be a 30 mm. 30 mm. Okay. Now we'll draw over here one circle. Okay. Trim the entities. Okay. Also delete this one. Now here we will draw one circle of phi 10 mm. So just give phi 10 mm. Okay. Now we'll go to the feature and we will extrude this. So extruded boss base, and we'll do it through the mid plane, right? 10 mm through mid plane. Okay. So we'll save this as a piston. So close from here again. Go to the file, new part. Okay. Now here we will draw the link 4. So select top plane, sketch on it. Again select center point, straight slot over here. Smart dimension them to be a 270. Sorry. 270. Okay. And make this to be 10 mm. Okay. So here we will draw circle and we'll smart dimension this to be 10 mm. And just increase this to 20 mm. Select this one, this 10 mm. Okay. Go to the feature and from here we will just extrude this. So extruded boss base. Okay, before that we'll just delete this circle. Delete this one. Yes. Go to the feature and extruded boss base. So we'll extrude by 10 mm. Okay. Okay. So simply draw sketch on this, make it normal too. Here we will draw a circle. So simply select this and draw a circle of 10 mm. Okay. Feature extruded boss base 10 mm. Okay. So in this way, this is our link 3 already now. So simply close from here. We'll draw the last part of this mechanism, that is the support. So simply select the top plane and sketch on it. So selecting a center rectangle over here, drawing smart dimension 500 by by 200. Okay. Now we will draw again a center rectangle over here. So simply draw one center rectangle, okay, whose smart dimension will be escape. This dimension will be 150 and this will be 50, and from here to here the distance will be 64.7. We'll keep the distance to be 64.7. Okay. Now here go for the trim entities. Select this one to be trim. Okay. Now we'll go to feature and extruder boss base, and we'll create a extrusion of 20 mm depth. Say okay. Now again we'll sketch on this part, make it normal too. So here we will draw one circle. So select this midpoint and we'll draw one circle, and the distance from here to here will be 55 mm and this will be a 10 mm. Say okay. Go to the feature extruded boss base. So we'll extrude it by a 10 mm. So simply extrude it by a 10 mm and say okay. Right. Now we will here select one plane. So simply select a plane and we'll select. So it is loading now. Actually it will take some time to load. Now select this face. Okay. And we'll just give this distance. So give the distance to be 44.7 mm and we'll flip offset. Okay. Now here we'll select this plane and sketch on it, make it normal too. Okay. So again here we will draw one center rectangle. So simply select center rectangle over here. Okay. Now we'll make this and this and this to be collinear. Okay. Now we will give the smart dimension of this to be 300. Okay. And this will be a 50 mm. Okay. Now we'll make it at center. So give this to be a 25 mm. Okay. Now again we'll draw one circle over here. Okay. Trim the unwanted part. Okay. Again draw one circle over here. Okay, we'll draw again one circle over here. Okay. So go to the feature extruder boss base. So here we'll simply reverse the direction. So reverse direction from here and we'll extrude it by a 20 mm. Okay. Right. Now we'll simply hide this plane. So hide this one. Okay. So select this one, right click, or you can select here discard changes and exit. So select the plane from here and hide it. Okay. So we'll want to sketch on this, make it normal too. Okay, we will draw here one circle whose dimension would be 30 mm. Okay, go to the feature extruded boss base. So we'll extrude it by 10 mm. So simply extrude by 10 mm. Okay. So in this way our support is ready. So control save this as a support. So let's move on to the assembly now. So go to the file, new assembly. We load all the components that we have made. So simply browse. Okay, and select all these, open. So it will open one by one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this one seventh. Okay, so this is fixed. This one is fixed. So make it float. Right click and select this. Right click and make it fixed. So our support will be fixed over here now. Now we'll go to the mate. So select the mate. Select the inside faces. Okay, so here we will do a concentric mate. Okay. Now select this one and just move it over here. Now select the mate again. Select this one and this back. Okay. Coincident mate. Now select mate again, this portion and this portion. Okay, concentric. Okay, now select this and this should touch each other. So we'll want a flip side mate. So flip mate alignment. Okay, yes. Now select this lever, inner face and this face, making the concentric mate. Select again this face and this face. Okay, now select here this inside one. Actually, so here what we have to do, we have to just cancel this mate. So right click and delete this mate. Yes. Select this outside actually. Now again select the mate. Okay, select this face and this face. Now flip side mate. Okay, flip mate alignment. Okay, no, sorry, cancel this actually. So what we'll do, simply we'll select the mate. Okay, select this face and this face, and we will do now flip mate. Okay, now here it is ready. Now select this inside face and this face, making the concentric mate. Okay, now select this one and this face. Sorry, here select the mate again. Now select this inside face and this face, concentric mate. Okay, select this face and this face. Okay, right. So again we'll select this face and this face, making the, cancel it. Okay, so again we'll select a mate. Select this face and this face. Concentric mate, okay. So we'll move it down actually in this way. Okay. Now we will select this face and this face. Okay. Right. Now select this inside face and this face. We'll have a concentric mate. Okay. Just move upward. Select this face and this bottom face you have to select. So we'll make a coincident mate. Okay. Right. Now here we'll define one more mate, that is a distance mate. So select this one and this one. We'll keep a distance mate of suppose 70 mm. So keep distance here 70 mm. Say OK. Now here again we will close the temporary accesses. Okay. So here our beam engine assembly is ready now. You can see over here. Now what we'll do, we'll just give the colors to this. So go to the design appearances over here. So for this support we'll give a wood color. So select organic wood and from here just drag this color on the body. Again go to the appearances. Now this time we'll select the glass. So for the cylinder we'll select a glass. Okay, so here select the green glass, drag over the body of the cylinder. Now we'll just give the colors to the link which are remaining. So simply give the color, select this one, this color, okay. Select this one, this color, okay. Select this one. For this we'll give this color, okay. And now to the inside one, select this one, piston, and to the piston we'll be giving this color, okay. Now still crank is remaining, so this is the crank link. So select this crank link and we'll give it this color, okay. So in this way our beam assembly is ready. Right, here you can see our beam assembly which is being ready. So we'll simply go to the animation of this assembly. Okay, so again go to the isometric view from here, isometric view. Now go to the motion study over here. Now select the motor. Okay, select this crank link, select the RPM to be 10. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll just increase the playback time here to 12 seconds and simply click on the calculate. So here you can see it is calculating. So this is what basically a beam engine mechanism, so which is used to convert the rotary motor into a reciprocating motion. You can watch the animation again. So here simply a piston is sliding inside the cylinder. So hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.